Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a project into your GitHub repository. So basically, make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now all you'll be needing to do is just to create a remote repository and then we can start pushing our local repository. So this is how it works while working with GitHub. So first, you will be needing to have a Git repository on your local computer. You start working on your project and then you push it to your remote repository, which is in this case GitHub. It can be Git bucket, it can be GitLab, it can be any other Git service. Now we will be needing to go to home or to repositories or whatever, and then we click on new. Now here you add a project name and you can add the readme file or not. So I'm just going to not add it and basically create a repository. Now we have uh, a hollow or an empty repository. We will be needing to add our project. So basically now we need just to create a new repository. So here I'm just going to click a new repository. Now it will start creating a repository into our local path. So here we have none, and my projects. It's not necessary to have the same name, but whatever. We create a repository and we need just to publish repository. In my case, I'm using GitHub Desktop. You can use your own Git command. You can search for them. You will need just to add a Git remote. So as you can see, it will be something like that. You will go to your terminal, use git init, git add readme file in case you have a readme file, but not necessary. You commit, you git branch, and then you add origin. That's the necessary part, is to have your origin uh, link, which is the repository link, and then we need just to push. In my case, I'm using GitHub Desktop since it's easy. I'm going to publish repository, and it will be in the github.com. This is the name and publish repository. And basically, I think GitHub Desktop would create a new repository for me instead of linking it to my uh, repository. So basically here, if we go to our repositories, we will find these my projects that has been created. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.